হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি মিস নীলা, এআই কেরিয়ার পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগতম। আজকে আমাদের যে ক্লাসটা হবে সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে ক্লায়েন্ট মিটিং। আমরা কিভাবে ক্লায়েন্ট, বিদেশি ফরেনের ক্লায়েন্টদের সাথে মিটিং করব, এবং হচ্ছে আমার স্টুডেন্টদের সাথে আজকে আমি বায়ার, ওরা হচ্ছে ক্লায়েন্ট, আমরা সবাই মিলে প্র্যাকটিস করব। সো নয়ন ভাই আছেন?
জি জি ম্যাম।
সালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম ম্যাম।
ওকে।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
জি, ওয়ালাইকুম সালাম ভাইয়া। তাহলে আমরা স্টার্ট করি আমাদের ক্লায়েন্ট মিটিংটা।
জি।
সাপোজ আমি হচ্ছে, আমি ইউকের ভাইয়ার, আপনি বাংলাদেশি, সো আমাদের দুজনের মধ্যে ইংলিশ কনভার্সন হবে, যেভাবে আমরা ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে ইংলিশে কথা
Hi Miss Nila ma'am, thanks for joining. I am Abdullah Alif Nayan. I am a professional web developer. I have 3 years of experience. I have been complete more than project. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sure. I'm Nila. I'm from UK, and recently I would like to start a new business, so I need a website. Please tell me how can create my website.
Yes, I will help businesses like you create a professional website to sell courses, create leads, and more grow online. We can quickly discuss your goals, content, and timeline so I can send a proposal and start right away.
Okay.
I have some question.
Okay, please tell me.
What's the main goal of your site, lead sales, or portfolio?
Okay, my goal is sells my freelancing course online, collect student registration directly from my website.
Who is your targeted audience area?
Okay, my targeted audience area, UK, and who is person seeker job, and mostly young people who want to start a freelancing.
Do you have 2 or 3 sample sites you like?
Yes, I have seen a few online course website with a sample registration and payment option. I will share everything with you.
Do you have content and photos ready?
Yeah, I already have in course details, syllabus, my own profile photo. I will also provide some students' feedback and testimony. So I may need help you design and copywriting.
Any timeline or budget range in mind?
Yeah, I want to learn so within 2 or 3 weeks before my next course page start. I budget and flexible, but I'm thinking around the business package ranks. Could you please clear the specialist tasks you will be managing for my website?
Yes, thank you for considering me. I will take care of website design improvement, speed optimization, SEO setup, and regular content updates.
Okay, that sounds good. Will you also handle mobile responsiveness and ensure it's work on all devices?
Absolutely. I will make sure the website is fully responsive and provides a smooth user experience on desktop, tablet, and smartphones.
Oh, perfect. What about security and maintenance? Will you provide ongoing support after the project had completed?
Yes, I will ensure proper security setup, regular backup, and I can provide organic ongoing maintenance support if you need it.
Okay, excellent. How long do you think it will to complete initial setup?
Depending on the scope, it should take around 7 or 10 days. I will provide regular update during the process.
Okay, sound good. Let's move forward for the next step.
Once the project is confirmed, I will prepare a detailed plan and start immediately.
Okay, great. What do you need from one to get started?
Perfect. Please share your logo, brand color, course details, and any reference website you like. Once I have those, we can begin right away.
Okay, excellent. I will send you my details today. Let's move forward with the project.
Thank you. I will prepare the project plan and start as soon as I receive your materials. Looking forward to working with you.
Okay, thank you. Look, bye. Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, start your presentation.
Spoken English is very important in today's world because it is the most widely used language for global communication. When you learn spoken English, you can connect with people from different countries, share ideas, and build strong relationships. It also opens the door to better job opportunities, as many companies prefer employees who can speak English fluently. Spoken English helps students in higher education, especially for studying abroad. It increases confidence, improves personality, and makes traveling easier. Overall, spoken English is not just a language skill, but a life skill that helps you grow in career and personal life. Thank you.
Okay, Bhaiya, thank you so much for your presentation. Your presentation is very well, and I'm satisfied. And next time we'll preparation for our bio conversion. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.